Minasan, konnichiwa, Samurai Engineer desu. Peppa and George. Peppa is the white one. George is the colored one. So, but although she's a white one, now there's a noticeable blue color on her back up to the tail. Okay, so I opened the door a while ago and I'm going to put it inside my hand, put it inside so that they get used to it. Okay, so that is the setup. So we'll try again to touch. So before we do that, because George showed scariness, so let us feed them first using our hands. So hoping that sound will surprise them, so they got a little bit scared, but let's come back and allow them to feel our hands by feeding them through our hands. I noticed that Peppa is a little bit higher in the degree of taming process, because she is more comfortable with our hands. She immediately get inside the hands while eating, while George is a little bit hesitant. He is a little bit hesitant, while Peppa even came over and actually sit on the hand. Look at the difference. However, although George is a little bit hesitant, he is now getting used to it. He is not showing other scareness ways. Look how they take their food. Okay, that's all for today. See you tomorrow. Do not force George to take his food, so I will just allow my hands to be near him a little bit further, and see you tomorrow.